Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Everything means nothing if it ain't you. We got a love like no other, better off. Yeah, to get a vibe and riding through the highway. We got a love like no other, better off. Yeah, to get a vibe and riding through the highway. Cause you're mine, luckily. Yeah, you're mine, luckily. I don't care who wants you when you're the one that I need. Cause you're mine, luckily. Yeah, you're mine, luckily. I don't care who wants you.
Shibanta jong kayo open inam ba di ya ki kot boper. Kalumpong kabalatip kum ka Shillong Literary Festival. Kabalay ngilenter kabala sedang nado ka kat sautarik unai weng arajar arpulai. Kawai na ginong Thoh kot nagani kejela ikong bijoya Sawian ila yok ban pelaj paj ba ya ka kot kaba idang shidep Thoh bat shon hakaktien pareng kaba ila ai kerteng Sylhet to Shillong. Yagani ka kot la pelaj paj ba hakajing yalang kabala long hakawai karansan harut kapung nan polok Shillong. Rengkat kajing sakhilang daki weide ginong Thoh kot bat ki riau pau khmat kejela hakapule puti. Hagani ka kot ikong bijoya Sawian ila Thoh halor kajing yai lenti ukpa jong I na Sylhet sha Shillong nadu ba udang news nem karta. Bat ubadon kajing I kebarhem ya kanong ba Shillong u lala bima lendu kumar day bat kakhana syapang ukpa kadai halor ka hubor syaki bamenta ban kamai ya kahok bat ban yaj hakalenti ke babej hakajing syakri hakano ka kam klem pai khmat syaka bamsap.
Kani ka kot kada syapang ipa and he came from Sylhet idang dap Newsnem and he grew up in Shillong and he loved the city. And then of course he joined the army and then the police, and he had a very adventurous life. Tangbang kwaban Thoh gini ka kot na marba from Sylhet to Shillong, because they are the two main places which meant a lot to him. So, they were part of his mindscape, part of his heart. And Akwaban Thoh ba, kumno people who are dedicated to the duty will always reach the top. But you do your duty with compassion and with conscience and with a feeling for the people. He had great. He loved humanity, and I think that's why he became a successful cop. Besides, of course, sticking to duty all the time, he was very compassionate. Tinga ko aban Thoh ni ka bakin yo puli ki brio ki sung Thoh ba. Ki don ki brio ki ba reach to the top without being corrupt, without being inhuman, without being involved in anything which is not ethical. You can still reach the top. Sabi iye ka Shillong, and he loved Shillong. He spoke excellent Khasi. So I wrote this book, for the town, for the people, both of Sylhet and Shillong. All my books are for the Paidba, It's about how to live life. If you live life correctly, it's not easy because, you're a human being. But if you live life correctly, you will always you find life easier and you'll get closer to God. And that's what I want to tell people. When I write my book, it's all about ethics, about compassion, and that's what I want to tell the youth. It doesn't matter whatever you are. You're a big businessman, or you're a plumber, or a carpenter, or you're just a student, a musician, anything, but do it properly and try to walk on the path of truth. Kalong ka ba hindi pinapasyang pilay. Thoh actually with my brother Bichon, and he was a great help. And because I had to do a lot of research also. They're all there, and wherever we got the information from, it's all recorded there. And some from the police and some from the army. And it took us 6 months, yes. I want everyone to read, but I always target the youth because the future, it's their future, and whatever they read, if it could influence them to be better, I would be very happy. So I would like everyone to read it actually. Whether it's Shadow Men or Aging Strength Men, all these books, I think I want the youth to have a wonderful life ahead. Yes. I'm very sad to see that there are no Khasi novels. You know, there are very few Khasi novels. Poetry more, both in English and Khasi. Novels I want to have an institute, a competition for the best novel. I think we should really encourage, because napi Thoh, you know, then we can learn so much from literature. You know, yeah, we can learn so much from literature. They let us talk, you know, how to improve life. You know, it's very important. I think the biggest message is that you must understand the youth now are living a very fast life. Teng shong marway shong kop perkat. Where am I heading? You know, and what are the good qualities that God has given us that I must nurture, like compassion, like kindness, honesty. We have to think about them, and if you can think and focus on them, then then it becomes part of you. Like youth are living such a fast life and is full of excitement. How do I forget the inner selves? Marketing im ka deben long te brew te blay. Te brew te blay means ublay had udan ha po jong pi. Teng pi deban shomar away. Snap. Uang ayu. You know? Like that.